Hello and welcome to a brand new Luminar Neo video. Today we're going to be taking a look at presets, but not just how to make your own presets, but also how to sell them as a source of passive income. Photographers have a huge benefit where they're able to diversify their income streams, and one of those income streams can be selling preset packs that you've made and selling them on online digital marketplaces or your own website. And now it's easier than ever because Luminar Neo has released their own preset packaging tool that helps make the whole process super quick and simple. So without further ado, let's get started. So when building your preset pack, you'll want to make sure that you are building your pack around a theme. And that's because when people are looking for preset packs, they're usually looking for specific styles to apply to their series of photos that they've taken. So whether that be a moody street pack or a bright summer beach themed pack, you'll want to make sure that you stick to a theme and it will sell far better. What also sells a preset pack is actually the photos that you use. So when people are browsing through these marketplaces, really high quality images that are used for the cover of your preset pack, they're the ones that jump out and they're the ones that attract the eye of your potential customer. Your customer's not going to get these photos, so you don't have to worry about selling rights or losing the photos in that way. But it's just as a form of advertising your pack and making sure that you're catching the eyes of customers, because think there is a lot of competition out there. You want to jump out. Now, it's a great idea to show a before and after so customers can see how your edits can transform their raw files. Here's an example here where you showcase a before and after side by side, and that way your customer can A, see for themselves how good your edits are, and B, also compare the state of their RAWs compared to yours. And if they are similar enough, the potential customer will likely purchase. Now, if you have a unique editing style or you're able to spot trends that are developing, those are going to be the best packs to make. And that's just like with all areas of selling. If you are able to find a niche and you're quick and savvy enough, then you're going to be able to make good money. Generic editing packs such as landscape packs, they may still sell, but as you can imagine, that there's so much competition already out there, so many preset packs already, it's already oversaturated. So you're going to have to find ways to stand out. So the other thing you can do is to get ahead of upcoming seasons. So for example, at the point of making this video right now, we've got Halloween on the way, we've got fall on the way, we've got Thanksgiving on the way. You can absolutely make packs for these upcoming seasons, holidays and events, and have them released just before they come along. So if you have an archive of images, you know, maybe last year you did a Thanksgiving shoot or something like that, then by all means get those photos, collect them together and make yourself a preset pack. In fact, go through your whole archive of photos that you've taken over the year and start to create a collection of similar themed photos. So that vacation you went on last year, that photo trip you did last year, start to collect those photos and make some preset packs. And as for the amount, usually you only need 10, so it's not too many. So to recap, grab 10 high quality images of a same or similar theme and make sure you've also got a JPEG of their raw and edited state. Then proceed to make your edits, and once those are all done, it's time to make your preset pack, which is exactly what we're going to look at how to do right now. So I'm just going to speed up this editing session right here, but if you are interested in learning how to do neon night photography edits, head over to the channel. There are several videos on the topic. But let me show you something that's important first. So I'm going to apply a random effect here. We'll do blur, for example. Now, if I am doing my edit and I go to use a tool and change my mind like so, then if I head to the edit panel here, this tool will still be present. So your customer will see all of these tools once they have applied the preset, and they'll be able to go through and see step by step how you built the preset. So ensure that you are creating a clean workspace, so to say, and make sure that every tool that appears here is necessary so as not to confuse your customer. So I'm going to go down to the actions icon here and hit the save as preset. Now you need to give it a unique name. Either you can title it along with the theme of your pack, you can give it a descriptive title, a brief 2-word description at the most if you can. Otherwise, you will see the name of the pack with a numbered title for each preset. So for example, if I call this preset pack Neon Nights, for example, then each preset would be called Neon Nights 1, to, etc. Just know that, of course, the customer will see each preset title, so make sure they are fitting for the pack. Now go ahead and make 10 presets, and once they've all been cleaned up and titled, it is time to make your preset pack. So we can now take a look at Luminar Neo's handy preset packaging tool. So for starters, to download this tool, head down to the description of this video and follow the link. So this is the preset packer tool, and it's really simple to use. First of all, you'll need to name your pack. So I'm going to just call this something like Neon Glow. That will do. And this is going to be the name of the file that your customer will download. So make sure it matches the theme and the sales page title as well. Then for the thumbnail, we'll need to use a small image. It's going to need to be a small file rather. So nothing over 2 megabytes really. So I'm going to just grab this photo here. And obviously you'll want to make sure that it is a photo from your preset pack title page and sales page, because this is going to be the photo that shows up on the Luminar Neo presets page. So we need to make sure that it all sticks to the same theme. Okay, now we need to just do a short description. So just a few words we can do underneath our title here. And I'm going to go for Neon Night Photography Presets. And then the long description, that's going to be one sentence. We're going to go for transform your rainy night photography. And that really will do. Don't need anything more than that. Then we're going to add some tags. So this one we can fit into the cityscape genre, urban area, and that will be enough. Okay, so now it's time to add the presets, and there's a very easy method to do this. Go back to your preset that you've just made, one of your most recent ones that you plan to put in this package here, and we'll go on the more icon and then show in Finder or in your documents, and then head to the parent folder. So you'll want to grab the most recent 10 that you've made, select them all like this, and then we're going to drag them over like so, and there we go. All of the presets are now in the packaging tool, and you'll need to make sure that you grab the whole folder, not just the file within the folder, because the folder also contains the image that you will need to be able to create this pack. And then once you've done that, go ahead and click save, and there you go. You will need to, again, make sure that this is the same title that you plan to call your preset pack that you put on your website or digital marketplace, and hit save. And then it's going to be that file that you then need to upload. So there we have it. That is how to create your own preset pack. And as mentioned, they are potentially great passive income streams for your photography business, or you can even send it to friends and family or use it for yourself for upcoming future editing sessions. Make sure these packs are themed and consist of similar editing styles, as these tend to sell better. And also try and find a niche, or look out for editing styles that are starting to trend, or even for upcoming events and holidays, as you'll be able to sell packs better in this way as well. But that's all from me. I'll be back again soon for some more Luminar Neo tips, tricks, and tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.